What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simi for those who don't know, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This is the packaging. It's so pretty. I believe it retails for $45, and yeah, they finally came out with beautiful like hot pink and some pop of colors instead of like the typical like neutrals. So I was really excited about this palette when it came out. My hubby actually bought it for me. You know, he came home from work with flowers and this palette, and I literally cried because that was just so sweet of him. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look and what I think of it and how it blends and all that fun stuff, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so today we're going to be trying out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This is the packaging, and then when you open it up, here's the palette. This is the packaging. It almost has like this canvas textured packaging. And then when you open it up, oh, there's a brush that just fell out. But these are the colors. Let me just cover this up. These are the colors. They're beautiful compared to the usual Anastasia shades. They're really pretty. Let me get rid of those little stupid things that no one really likes to use anyway. And then the palette comes with the standard Anastasia brush. Let me take it out of the packaging. I might use it for like the shimmer because I like applying the shimmers with this. But yeah, for today's look, I really want to try out the hot pink shade that's right here and like the little pop of blue. So yeah, I guess let's get started. I'm going to quickly put a little bit of loose powder underneath my eyes just in case there's any fallout, because I know the Anastasia Beverly Hills like palettes usually have like tons of like kickback, which is not necessarily always a bad thing since they're really pigmented, but just to be careful. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so today we're a little bit more up close since I'm showing you guys mostly just the eye look. I'm going to start off with the purple shade right here. And I'm going to pack that on with my small Farrah 3 mini tapered brush. I'm going to just pack that on. Ooh, that is pigmented. Very, very pigmented. Just going to keep packing that on. We're not blending since some of these shades are pressed pigments, and if we start blending it and doing like the wiper motion, it'll get rid of most of like the pigment. So the best way to apply this is to just pack it on. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, we're gonna just keep packing that purple shade Canes on. Let me take a little bit more of that color and just keep packing it on. And then we're going to slowly try to bring that color into the inner corner. And we're going to slightly try to just kind of like blend it in, but it's still pack it on. And then just take whatever is left on the brush. Yeah, if you guys see, it's getting a little patchy if you start like blending it out like that. So we're just gonna take a little bit more and just pack that on. And just kind of like stipple the shade in. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit of a bigger brush. I'm gonna take the Lisa Frank Glamour Doll brush, and I'm gonna take that hot shade Bahamas that's right here. I'm gonna just press that in and then just kind of try to put that all over. I'm gonna put that above the purple shade and just kind of try to blend them in, but we're still not like blending it, we're more of like, we're kind of like tapping it in. palette is very pigmented. So pretty though, look at that. Wow, looks beautiful. I'm gonna bring that to the inner corner. Let me take a little bit more of that hot shade, more of that Bahamas shade, and just to kind of pack that on. Whew, that is pretty. You guys see that? It's beautiful. I'm mostly going to try to keep this pink, since I'm not really into purple shades. But to just kind of give that like gradient effect where we're going to need to use the purple. Alright, we're packing that on. Now I'm going to take my Morphe blending brush. It's M33. This is the blending brush. And we're just going to blend all that in. There's no pigment or any shade on this. And we're just going to like buff that in. Wow. Those two colors together, god damn, they're pretty. Sorry for this angle of my face. I look ugly as hell, but just gonna try to blend that in. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that purple shade, just the tiniest amount, and I'm gonna use the Farrah brush again and just kind of pack that on. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. Wow. Alright. Since we grabbed this shade, I really want to try the shade called ciate? I can't pronounce it, but it's pretty much this blue shade right here. And I'm going to use the Anastasia brush. Well, actually, let me just use my finger for this first and see. Ooh, it's pigmented. You guys see? Let me swatch it for you real quick. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but that is pigmented. That is a beautiful shade. Alright, I'm going to use my finger for this. And then, oh wow. That's beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. I did not expect that to be that pigmented. Wow. Alright, let me try my brush. I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush that came with it. Use the more of a flat side. There's a lot of kickback in that shade though. But holy damn. That is beautiful. Oh wow. Alright, let me try this actually shade right here. The pink one that's right here. I want to try that. Let me just clear up my brush real quick. Just roll that out. And then let me use that hot pink shade. Well, the glitter. Ooh, that's pigmented too. Let me swatch it for you guys. Oh wow. Look at that pigment. That's gorgeous. Alright. Yeah, there's a lot of kickback in it, but let me just pack that on top. Ooh, I like that. Let me use a little bit more of that blue. I really like the blue. Alright, I'm going to take my Morphe blending brush again and just try to blend all those colors in. This is cute. Alright, well, I guess that's for the eye. Let me quickly get rid of the fallout and the powder underneath my eyes, finish up the other eye of the camera, pop some lashes on, and I'm gonna be right back with the final thought. Alright guys, back with the finished look. I put some wispy red cherry lashes on, a little bit of highlight, which is the Wet n Wild loose highlight, liquid lipstick. It's the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Naked. I'll link everything down below. I also added some blue liner in my waterline. And yeah, for the final thought of this palette, I think it's one of the best ones they ever came out with. I totally recommend this. And I can see myself doing more videos and more eye looks using this palette compared to the past palettes they ever created. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more of me, follow me on my social media, which is Simi_Violet. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, all the products that I used on my face. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!